everyone. We're doing this crazy mission. This is Hoover. Introduce yourself, guys.
I'm Dave Mike. Let's go down this hill and probably eat shit.
And
We're
that's
going to go
who.
down this hill and hike down this creek because
It's crazy. Don't do this. So we're
don't
try this at home. All right. This is pretty intense stuff. I've never been on quite a job like this before. Jeez. As you can tell, not a lot of ground visibility, so it's got to be hard to do our job. Oh, I'm sliding on my butt down this log right now. Oh. Try not to. Oh! But we get to see pretty things like this. Oh, we just missed Hoover Fall. A lot of mud, a lot of muck. We just came from up there. It's hard to see, but way back there is where we came. Alright, we're going to try this. Alright. Alright, well, we made it down to the waterfall. And that's why we came, for the waterfall. And this little flat piece of land right here. Alright, we got work to do. Take it easy. And we'll check in later. Bye.